hello, people. No, I realize probably I shouldn't say hello. It gives a shock, when you're scrolling through your feed and you find someone saying hello like that. Because yesterday I uploaded something on Instagram, and then I was later wondering I sound too enthusiastic in life. But no, it's just so mm, like I mean, at the end of the day, people come onto your channel, I feel, is because of the energy, like there are some people you like their energy, so that's what it is. And no, and I've decided I have to stick to this 1 minute rule. Yeah, if I allow myself to go, I'm like speaking for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, like non-stop. So yeah, so the important tip is to stay within the 1 minute time frame, because otherwise people see the length of the video, they see that it's 4 minutes long, and then they don't even attempt to watch it once. So I should stick to that 1 minute thing. So I think this is an important tip for any budding YouTuber, that stick to the 1 minute time frame, because people will see that 1 minute there, that your video is 1 minute long, and they might watch it. See, I'm growing intelligent. Anyway, this already crossed a 1 minute video. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.